Need to update your Netflix payment method but not sure where to start? Maybe your card expired, you got a new one, or you simply want to switch to PayPal. Don't worry, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open any web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the address bar, type netflix.com/account and go to that page. This will take you directly to your Netflix account settings. If you're not already signed in, Netflix will ask you to log in with your email and password. Once you're inside your account page, scroll until you find the Quick Links section. Here, look for Manage Payment Method and click on it. This section lets you view your current payment details and make changes to how Netflix charges your subscription each month. After opening the payment section, choose Change Payment Method. You'll now see several options available depending on your region. You can add a new credit or debit card, switch to PayPal, or in some cases even use mobile billing through your phone provider. Simply select the option you want, enter the required information like your card number and billing details, and confirm the update. Once it's saved, Netflix will start using the new payment method for your next billing cycle. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Netflix payment. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this.